Welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we travel to Nosara, Costa Rica to explore a stunning modern home that seamlessly integrates with its breathtaking surroundings. Imagine escaping the harsh Canadian winters to a tropical haven. This is exactly what our international clients envisioned when they approached us to design their dream home in Nosara. Their desire was not just a vacation getaway, but a permanent retreat, a place where elegance meets simplicity, and a deep connection with nature is fostered. The house boasts a privileged location, offering panoramic vistas of the ocean and majestic mountains. Our design approach focused on a simple geometric form that frames these breathtaking views. By minimizing architectural elements, we've maximized the visual connection between the interior and the natural world. Designing for this unique environment was crucial. We needed a structure that was lightweight yet strong, a structure that felt almost weightless on its mountain perch, yet effectively framed the surrounding beauty. The social areas of the house seamlessly flow onto a spacious terrace and pool, creating a perfect space for entertaining and enjoying the tropical climate. The upper floor houses private areas, each offering stunning views and privacy. These areas are connected by a double-height atrium that bathes the interior in natural light and creates a sense of spaciousness. Sustainability was a major priority for this project. We incorporated features like cross-ventilation and a natural chimney effect to reduce reliance on air conditioning. Rainwater collection, water recycling, and solar energy systems further minimize the home's environmental footprint. The use of prefabrication techniques also reduced on-site construction impact. The home's simple design translated into a smooth construction process. The use of local teak wood alongside modern materials like concrete, steel, and large glass windows creates a harmonious blend of tradition and contemporary innovation. This modern tropical home in Nosara is a testament to the power of design to create a haven of beauty, comfort, and connection with nature. Would you live in a dream home like this? Share your thoughts on sustainable architecture in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.